Today we're diving into a remarkable piece of engineering history, the 100-year-old ATCO Standard Lawnmower, meticulously restored and showcased by the ingenious engineer, Allen Millyard. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the fascinating story behind this vintage machine and explore its enduring legacy. In 1921, the ATCO Standard revolutionized lawn care by becoming the first successful mass-produced motor mower. Manufactured by Charles H. Pugh Limited, this mower was a game-changer for homeowners and gardeners alike. The inaugural model featured a 22-inch cutting width and was powered by a 269cc Villiers Mach-E 4 two-stroke engine, embodying simplicity and efficiency in its design. Fast forward a century, and enter Allen Millyard, a name synonymous with extraordinary engineering feats. Known for creating bespoke motorcycles such as the Kawasaki Z2300 V12 and the Z1600 V8, Millyard's passion for mechanics extends beyond two-wheelers. His YouTube channel offers a treasure trove of projects, including the restoration of vintage lawnmowers like the ATCO Standard. In a captivating video, Millyard presents his 1921 ATCO Standard Lawnmower, delving into its unique features before demonstrating its impeccable functionality by mowing his lawn. It's astounding to witness a century-old machine operating as if time has stood still. Also, the engine of this machine is equipped with a decompressor valve and a rotary flywheel magneto. The ATCO Standard's design is a testament to early 20th century engineering prowess. Initially constructed with an oval-section cast iron frame, the mower faced durability challenges, leading to a transition to a more resilient H-section malleable iron frame in 1922. This adaptation enhanced its robustness, ensuring longevity. Restoring such a historic piece requires meticulous attention to detail. Millyard's approach likely involved sourcing authentic parts, refurbishing the Villiers engine, and preserving the mower's original aesthetics. His dedication ensures that this mechanical marvel not only looks pristine but also functions flawlessly, offering a glimpse into the past's ingenuity. The ATCO Standard set the foundation for modern lawnmowers, embodying innovation and accessibility. Its mass production made powered lawn care attainable for many, transforming landscape maintenance practices. Today, collectors and enthusiasts cherish these machines, celebrating their historical significance and mechanical artistry. Allen Millyard's restoration of the 1921 ATCO Standard Lawnmower is more than a mere refurbishment. It's a homage to a century of engineering evolution. Witnessing this 100-year-old machine in action not only sparks nostalgia, but also deep appreciation for the craftsmanship of yesteryears. As we marvel at this blend of history and functionality, we're reminded of the timeless nature of quality engineering. If you're intrigued by this journey through time and machinery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations into technological marvels. Stay curious and keep discovering.